Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to your favorite soccer podcast in the land. This is your number one soccer podcast in the land. This is Deb3 TV, proudly brought to you by Deb3 Studios, Deb3 Events, Deb3 Media. The name of the show is A Pass and a Move. It's December, by the way. It's the 1st of December. Kuningi okwenzakalayo kuyafika sithi happy new month to everyone, all our viewers, happy new month. Umuntu ongekhona mhlawumbe mfake into engcono mfake ikepisi wathi ushaya ube blome so njengana mfake ikepisi e-Deb3 Media im represent. Otherwise I've got Masudu in the building. Masudu,
Sure. Get December, boss.
usuku December moved.
Sasuku December mood.
Ngiyafika.
Get December.
Toby,
Mdalo izwi.
I'm fresh.
Hambala.
Cleanest.
Asibonga uDecember nje.
Namhla ama viewers abe mangathi ma-trophy, mabhora, ngani sethi igcwele. Kwenzakala. So to our viewers, we've got a new friends, my friends of the show. It's everything that you see from trophies. Triangle. Lena basketball, lapho kula rugby, kula disc. So this is brought to you by Sports Zone. Sports Zone, it's a shop. It's a sports shop.
Yeah.
It has got sports equipment, apparels. They also sponsor tournaments in and around the city. So baboni bathi emergency setting ngani yahawulisa kancane. Mana si titivate, then we provide you. So if ever ufuna equipment, sports equipment, you can go and get yourself a Sports Zone. It's located by Membership House, corner 9 Avenue and JMN Street. So ngena khona phana Membership House uthi ufuna iSports Zone awusozolahleka. Xa izikolo ufuna ama trophy, ufuna amabhora, team manager, efuna amangwanda.
Lamakoni.
All sports bra.
All sports lama jersey bayalungisa.
Yonke into
abalayo.
Yonke as long as sports.
As long as sports
Bahlelekile.
Yeah, so these are new friends of konke ukubona lapha is brand new bra. Brand new. Auto
Original.
Yeah, hoping ngokukhula my friends of the show. But they were sithi ama-gents. Now something different, but this set is probably brought to you by Sports Zone. Yeah, so they are new friends. Then we've got also not forgetting our friends of the show, Okuhle Designs. They've been with us since day one. If you're wondering what Okuhle Design is, designer, printer, everything. So everything that is to do with the graphic designing, Okuhle Design it's your plug. So that's it. For this week's show, I think since I'm mention my friends of the for this week's show, guys.
Yeah. It's a good week.
It's a good festive week.
Uthi ngiqale ngawo. Ngoba kunengi. Let me start. I usually want to give respect and honor the national teams. So mfundi at least ngahle kunengi okwenzakala kuma national teams. Let's start with the ladies first. We saw Rosemary Mgada so sithethelwe isibanda Rosemary Mgada nje nguye ando captain kuskip sesale sithethelwe nguye nguskip so wathi wastika vele lazo wacoach futhi wacoach isikhathi eside. So let's start with ama-Mighty Warriors, guys. Sibonile badle Malawi 2-1. Ama-Mighty Warriors, they are playing iLokhuzeni. Three team Lokhuzeni tournament. Lese Lokhuzeni eseMalawi. Yeah.
Badla ama-host
2-1. But before that, bengakayi eMalawi, we saw umfazi ka-president. Singathi ebanika something ama toiletries and stuff. I mean, I've got a lot to say about that issue.
I feel like maybe lokho kuyomele kuphonga uyenzwa kungayona camera.
Even if it's on camera, Toby.
Uyabona into yangikhona cause lilana i-national team.
Eh.
Uyabona aso club aso ne-national team vele.
Ngithi even if it's on camera, bro. Bezenzele kube ngokwabo because you know why ngisho njalo.
Bengawu-publicize.
You get what I'm saying?
Yeah, yiko mbona manje sokhuluma ngakho because to publicize such a thing to Mighty Warriors publicize ama-toiletries hayi lapha nabazeke hayi kuyayangisa lokho national level kuyayangisa lokho
I think into lezana kumele be i-auto.
Into omele uthi mawungena vele ukuthole kukhona.
Manje siyalulaza siyadelelisa yabona why idlala ngikhala sithi ama-Mighty Warriors le bhora labafazi asikakuzwisa asikalithathi serious the same njengama-gents. Why kanti?
I think yikho kumele kwenziwe ebafazini because kanjabona ngathi sibabehambile bayawina 2-1. Uyabona ukuthi imagine ngesupport eyenzakala emajideni bekhona ebafazini bona ngabe buya lama results, so I think babehamba kachana. Uyabo.
You know mina into ehle yamphutha off Masudu.
yeah
I understand unkosikazi ka Zifa president uMagwizi layo uyathanda ibhoro but yena umka president
wezifa
so ngani la sengu president wezifa.
yeah khona kubi kanjalo but mina into vele echa kakhulu ukuthi out of abalokuzini akulama advisors yini ukuthi kabe ba advise ukuthi but kuyinto lokhu ukuhambisa ama toiletries to upublicize kuyalulazisi lokuzini hayi bafethu hayi angazi ukuthi kuhamba njani eZimbabwe but hayi into le vele kahle kahle loba lawo iqalisa even umntwana omncane kade yabona into le it's bad.
Amfuna sounda as if but ama speak out. Uyakwazi why to be ngikhala in the first place. Mana yenze exam. Asithi uKhaindu ube coach Dynamos.
Yeah.
UKhaindu nguye coach Dynamos. Understand? Ungabona ukuthi umfazi kaKhaindu
dressing room.
So kuyifemi.
Ezefike sipha maoni impomba.
So ngani uyothi ayi lapha
iskipo.
Ngoba so kuyifemi.
Thina azange sikhethe umfazi kaMagwizi.
Hayi.
Unqobile Magwizi nguye upresident.
Nguye uyazakala.
Wezifa.
Okomfazi vela
sikuthi nxa ifuna ukusponsor abakugayi sponsor anikeze kuhle kube lo munye umuntu uthi okay right sikulo muntu omele izifa. Isipho lesi sivela kunkosikazi even ekhona ehlezi lapha asiyaleli umuntu osponsor but singakuyenza ngani so akumelanga kube njalo. Mina hayi vele into lena
uqala vela phana ngesikamba manga that thing is bad. Unkosikazi yena kuzifa indoda yakhe ngezifa president ingena ngapi so ngani into yakhona sesikomagwizi football club
uyabona into mina kimi wakhala ngani kunjalo
so national team uyabifuna nje ukuthi
yena manje lapho
because that's a national team.
That's a national
team. Ngayithanda ibhora ivele ufuna ukunika ufuna amabhora mfuna akula muntu uyalelwayo ngoba even nami ngamfuna usponsor
umfaka something
every Zimbabwean is allowed but ngendlela esakwenza ngayo
indlela enziwe ngayo spade
ngathi into le isaphumisha
aso nguyizifa so uMagwizi
unqobile Magwizi ngupresident wezifa
akusayo
nguye umele nxa
initiate
you understand uthi nguye ngaba khona hayi nika lokho isipho sivela kumama I would have appreciated hayi you understand ubaba ubemile lapha ngoba nguye oqhatshiwe usemsebenzini ngoba lapha ngongani umama seyenza umsebenzi kababa yena umama engayisuye oqhatshiwe you understand era ekhona then okwama toiletries kwathi ubuye ungawu toiletries ngahle ngathi umama wasibathatha into lezimele zibe auto
emehlala
awumelanga kube into ekhulunywa uthi baphiwa vele lokuthi ngikhulume ngakho mina
but mina mbongani eqinisweni ubaba nguyasumisa umama wathi asami
wayengekho vele ubaba
hayi babefoneleni ngoba umama engekakwenza vele khona kwethu
wayengekho wayelo loveness mukuru lwana ilokuze uyamkhumbula uvice president umama lo ngabe thiwa nguye ovino
owabuyayo
abantu wayikhona eceleni ngabe nguye ayisithi hayi
nansi sipho sivela kumama sesiqedile
that way maybe la ngangakuzwa but
hayi kunxele into yakhona uyazama ukudinga iwedlo explain alikho ngoba kunxele
ngavuzama ukuthi ngikukhiphe sharp
angikukhiphe sharp inxele
anyway basebehamba ku team tournament la the representatives as well bafika bawina lo cherry lo wechapungu
Ethel uyachina
asengizwe kakhulu wechapungu uyachina ngabona ukuthi but sile talent kubo mama into lesingayithatha serious
kakhulu kubo mama italent linene
you can go very far
lawo bagcina sebefaka maximum effort uyabona kuze yabe kwathi into le yiyembhadalayo le
kakhulu
yabo
angazi
kungabi
topona ngakuzwa shapha ukuthi ngombono wami uma sudu nyamuza ona angakuzwa clean ukuthi whole issue yena leyana ukuthi uyibamba njani
toiletries lana ayikho sharp ezenation because abafazi izinto omele behlale belazo bona bengena ekhempu vele into omele ungene uyiphiwa uyabona because lapha uyabe kujuti be
kakhulu
uyabona lapha ukujuti so awumelanga kube into yokuthi ube ngani uyayicela yena but yena she's right ukuthi kube khona kuwe uyabo
because asifuna ukukhumbula ukuthi remember last time ama Mighty Warriors akudala wona labo osithethelwe besadlala kulomuntu wajonsha uCherry wangena eshop abantu babesegoli wajonsha amazimo
anje wabona manje khona kwana ke ukuro
do you remember the story ungacheka ukuthi uzakhumbula ukuthi kulo Cherry okwajonsha ama toiletries wezimo national team
ngathi kwawungasekho nga
Jake is way back I think kubo what 2000 if it's not 4 it's 5
ngesikhathi sabo sithethelelo lesana it was
labo Nomsa boys
no it was 3-4 ngaba
during that time yabona ukuthi issue lana asikayibambi since from that time ayika address wa sharp ukuthi guys the ladies izinto lezi are basics asozinto esingazimemezela you understand
into omele ihlale bela
auto ncabe bizwa vele ku squad wonke umuntu lento zakhe clean proper vela kubuzwa because we know these are ladies at the end of the day so asozinto esingashona sizimemezelela ukuthi kulomuntu ozedonate ama toiletries you understand ipoint yami lapha eyimakona uyabona ngikhonapho
lana sozi avele ama toiletries into ade eyenziwa vele auto
uyabona
cause aso into ngayenza ukuthi aso like amabhora la ukuthi bani sedonate ibhora ubani sedonate kit
uniform
yabona cause you know ukuthi amantombazana azahamba ayadlala so lezana into elandelayo
vele umena ukuthi besikhuluma ngakho
ayimlave
vele ngasikhuluma
kasiyangisiza bra even nxa abanye abantu sebebona inews ezinjalo ukuthi kulama toilet it's bad ngalolu hlobo then we've got the sasekuzifa we've got the COSAFA under 17 girls integrated football tournament ebuyayo so it will be hosted in Harare I think the tournament yaqasa mhla ka 8
to 18 December
18 December it's I think all the COSAFA regions alama teams that will be represented I think
Sundowns ikona
South Africa
South Africa bawusem group futhi
Lemposa so we've got a COSAFA tournament that's coming up under 17 yama girls sase kuma ladies it's a ladies tournament will be represented by Impopoma Lokuzeng
Sports Academy
that's the one that will be representing Izim so it's an 8-team tournament it will be the host Zimbabwe will be represented by Impopoma Sports Academy Imposa whose senior team also competes in the Zimbabwe Women's Premier Soccer League. South Africa will have 2 representatives in the form of Giants, Mamelodi Sundowns, and Gauteng-based Refugio Football Club. Namibia will also have 2 teams, Ochiwarongo Sports Academy and Okakara Colton Ladies. Then Aquila Girls FC will represent Zambia, while Luwinga Academy will travel from Malawi. The 8th team in the field is Lishosho from Lesotho. CAF introduced the Toy Gift Under-17 tournament to give club teams in this age group the opportunity to compete against their peers across the region, complementing the events already staged for national teams. CAF has made the growth of women's football a key aspect of its development agenda, and this tournament provides young players with the chance to showcase their skills and gain experience. So, sisase ku tournament yona le yabo Cherry Topi ngibambanisa le national team ethu uze sokuthiwa iCAF kuyikhipha statement ithi toiletries will be available.
Akwenza ala mabasics ufala amanzi ufala amanzi
Exactly.
ukuthi uthabela ukuthi uphiwa amanzi
You understand? But I think this is a good tournament for the young girls.
For the young girls.
Under 17.
I think
kuyaba motivator.
Le exposure kayina amateam abuya kakhulu.
Exactly. Anje uno Sundowns ama serious team especially kona ngale goal le.
Especially for the development of football.
I think la scouts ngenanzelele kakhulu ukuthi ama tournaments anjalo ekakhulu ama under 17 nje kuba lama more scouts than laba khulu, just bazokukhangela ama talents amancane. So I think it's an opportunity for our imposter bona because kabe kulabantu abaningi,
especially ungakhayela ukuthi imposa ngiyakhona
egazi ngegazi
team yegazi iyabisimeni. But as worst bemele at least lathi sibe le two teams because mbona ukuthi indazwila kule 2 yabo Namibia le 2 thina sile 1 at least lathi bemele at least sibe le 2 but at the end of the day it's a good initiative. Sase ku khayela into eziphezulu like I was happy Brighton Chimene.
Akuyacha impembe.
Wesa khuluma la, I think he was one of the top referees. I remember he came in Scotland. Ngamvuma.
Wacha impembe.
Ngathi this guy will go far. No wonder he's the only one who is going to be representing.
At least is the one.
At least
la
uyazi something. Kuyini engithanda kakhulu ngomember
Brighton.
Umember ulento uBrighton ulento liyana ukuthi ina ukhangele ule vision nguref le vision, ukhangele vision yakhe, ukhangele destiny yakhe. Manje abanye abantu babulala isasikuthi umuntu uyabulala ukuyabizwa ku COSAFA ukuyabizwa ku worldwide kanje ukuthi chaya impembe endaweni ezingane zingcono just because maybe nge200 umbe nge$50 game
ulapho ukhulumela kwabadizwayo
umember anje uyake refula ama game blind
uyacabangela ukube bukhayina ngeperformance yabo
ukuthi hayi bona
lo engabe diziwe
ukuthi hayi lapha umember lapha
fanele uvele ufake inyuku so ngani uyacabanga uthi ube ndoyi
hayi umember uze bekhona babe bonti urefula free fair and free ubothi umuntu lo felo but ukhona umuntu okurefelela ubona ukuthi ha lapha maybe wabhodwa ngale before the match
izifibi suspend abanye. But I think utsho mlwana ngendlela vele abeziphethe ngale ndlela abechanga I think it deserves
uyayazi into yakhe utsho mlwana.
If I'm not sure, I think ufa ani kwakule khosi lana bahambe bayenze Egypt
yiko
abamkhethe khona
because yiko adokhetwa khona manje
because wahamba wabona bo refa abaningi Egypt
yiko adokhetwa
khona eman. I think bafike bambona bathi hayi
impembe yachaya
into yakhe I think bafaka lokuzeni futhi kuva ebekhona kuva kuyile abantu abacheckayo and kwazi ukuzisa ubuhlungu ungacheck ukuthi league yethu ngendlela nova bra
Thina ama-stadium first.
Yes, I understand, but yabona ukuthi utsho umuntu i-exposure yabe selala.
Esela isiningi
Esebuya
kakhulu.
nga.
Esebuya.
Seqala-
Sebona ukuthi
ngalitha kahle impembelo bela engabonanga.
Because
but at least i-advantage kuyo yabe setshala ikhafu lani since ikhafu
we need to say this because I think Zimbabwe is one labo ref abablind wakhala bo Felix Tangwari
exactly nikuwacha futhi manda 17 uchayi tournament so nguye khona futhi so uyabona ukuthi uyawini
is progressing well as a ref
kuyachaza especially for ilizwe right lama decisions uyawusubona but maybe uzatshintsha abanye ref sebebona umuntu apha uyahambeka
yes
uyawusufuna imotivation nala
vele uzayakhathana lona umuntu ngendlela athaya ngayo uyachaya impembe
watchaya iBF versus Scotland kwathula zwi
wayithala ubonke umuntu sibili uyazi ukuthi la office lo support kuyambambisana ukuthi lapho chayile lapho chayile
Brighton Chimene yacha is one of the referees engincane lami ngambona ngamvuma
lami ngambona umembe
yachaya impembe. Then in national team gents sibonile national team yama gents Marino ubizile squad 54 or so 58 because what is 54 kwa ngezelele
51
kwa 51 kwa ngezelele 4 kwa 55 55 member provincial squad the team squad leza
mina I think right umexile lama locals ukuthi yena ezibonele since engucoach omutsha engatshelwa at least engathiwa isikhathi sokutrainer labo bonke sezikhethela yena kuphulu yona le yena afisa abone ngane ngasutha i-style of play sakhe yabo
because 55 members
55 baningi kakhulu
ngabona 55 le ayenzi le kanje ya umnikeze iplatform mayise akhiphi first 11 uyayibona ukuthi yabe khwashiwe straight because labantu abaningi kakhulu aba-players abaningi
kuphulu lana Tobi. You know what impressed me kulumfana wesheshamo yabona into esihlale siyikhuluma esasisho ukuthi eZimbabwe kulama-player amaningi
kakhulu
and ayisuka ukuthi umbhozi wadlala ku-division 1 ayisuka ukuthi ungeyedwa blind uyathola ukuthi ku-D1 bebekukhona abanye abablind abadlula abanye abakhona ku-50 kufuna ucoach ozaba lelihlo lokuthi ibhora leZimbabwe selidlala akwanisa ukubukela amabhora amanye yakhona uJoyenza Michael Newton eshone bukela eScotland kubeni you understand into engangiyitsho ukuthi unational team coach mina ukubona even uSiphiwe Chabalala do you know ukuthi uSiphiwe Chabalala egoli bathi bembiza waye ku Free State Stars TV esadlala ku D1 bembiza esiya ku AFCON le ndazulu because unational team coach uyabele pool ekwanisa ukubukela
ehamba
ebukela ibhora ngisho ukuthi i-national team ifuna ucoach ozakwanisa ukuselecta ebele wide range of selection not ukuthi because ubani use-America ubani use-Czech Republic automatically uyadeserve ukuba ku-squad. So I was happy with this selection kamfana lona thobana wani
ube soccer star
Central Region I think was top goal scorer if I'm not mistaken
ube top goal scorer I think uhlohle
kwaso ngikho ngicheckile
more than 20 I think
menza isto zinto ungicheckile umfact checkile ngibe sibe lebizo eli-proper for i-poison ale bekukuhle kakhulu. Oh no, I've got him. Wilfred Madzungu. Wilfred, I've got the name. It's Wilfred Madzungu. First ever ukuthi ngizwe ukuthi kulo muntu division D1 oza and it shows the growth also of Central Region.
Kakhulu
ngabe akwanza ukuthi bebe le
player vele lokho akwenzile yena ucoach but ucoach ukusi ukuthi weekend ubebukile almost ama team uyahamba ebhoreni aso umuntu lwano ongani uyabefila lapha yambona I think uzabe move because bekuyi short time but khona kwanhlo wabiza lama player wonke imagine 55 even wena engaqalisa ukusebenza training uzabona vele abakha abafunayo la equality ayifunayo uyabo because khaya la kuma videos uyabukela futhi uyabona ama game lana
but khona ayazi like mabe bizwe uDiwana ngathi uyakukhangela kahle ngelihlo sibini kuyabonisa ukuthi even nama players aku D1 baba motivate bayabona ukuthi into yabo le is not about ukuthi ngifuna ukuya ku premier usungabiza khona apho ezilongo lokuzenza kuyaba lokuzenza ibhola seli recognizewa even in the ground level phansi sibili kuma grassroots yabo
mina into lana ngithandile
yeah so lapho mbona lapho even ku D1 sebayadlala lapho umuntu ekwazi ukuthi hey anytime I can be picked up la ngembizo endaweni ezingathi njalo
yes from the 50 say 55 huh?
55
besides Wilfred Matungu bakhona yini othi because abantu abayekeli belukukhala la kuma streets
ebholeni into yakwazi ukuthi siyahlala sikhala vele
bakhona yini ongathi lo usephonga ubizwa nje to add up numbers oh isquad sharp ngendlela osibona ngayo
mina I think ababizile washarp because ngama locally most of them performer well ema team nabo so I think ngendlela yena la yayenze ngayo kakade ekhangela ngayo lama players akhe yena ubebona iframe ayifunayo yabo so umuntu lona mayiqalisa yena engakwazi obviously abefuna uqalise make sure ukuthi mina kunje so uyabo so that yena ukuthola kwaFcon engabi lento zama excuse amaningi but ama players ebenjani uyabe sezibonile akasadingelwa or something
because ungacheka amabizo abantu abaningi abantu esasikhala kakhulu
ukuthi exactly
there are people that are performing
uyabona
mina lenye engle Tobi kulabantu abakuzifa unyungu ukuthi they are deserving people abanika ucoach amabizo bathi coach kulabantu abanye amele siba ubakhanyeni because kula kunini isikhala ungacheka khathi uvina uXolani
anjalo la ubisiwe la
kunini isikhathi madoda kulondiza lo uyachova but abakhanyeni and abantu abadlala week in week out
anjalo labo Martina ukhona la
anjalo nje ubize kule pool ukuthi abantu they know ukuthi we've got serious players
abantu bebehleli bekwazi bebona but just because ngestructure besikhona kumbe ngile ukuze nekade khona nje bebengala voice bekulento yathi bavimba anje abantu oXolani kunje uXolani bebehleli besemlonyeni abantu uthi hayi uXolani bale potential and given a chance afana they can prove it they can take us to another level but just because ukuthi uyabubona ukuthi la ikhona equipment omele uyisebenzise just because you are given le uthi awuna sebenzisa le qalume ngayo le yabo now mina ngibona it's an opportunity for them la to prove themselves
Chirinda bra
hayi no ubizile sibili abantu
iphulu ngani
isharp
but there was exclusion kaKhama did it deserve asiqaleni khona apho did it deserve to be included uKhama Billiard or anje kumuthi kuma friendly laba sakhuluma there's something that's happening behind this uKhama ngana does not want to be part of into leyana anje sikhuluma ama issues akhunywa ngumnetsi uKhama la kahambanga remember yikho yini okunye ongabe kwenza ukuthi engabizwa or uKhama wahle wathi hayi mina ngitsengishapha because uKhama wa retire I remember uwachiya waphenduka khathesi seScotland waphendukiswa ku national team khathesi ngakho because nxa ngikhangela ilist le ku 54 definitely uKhama there was no way
ongasola kona uKhama
vela kuyini
athi ukuthi maybe la isethe piece maybe la isethe piece ansafuni
because sometimes umuntu ade sayinge ngokwakhe amabhuti wena umbiza now sokule squad se 54 ubone ngekho phakatha hayi definitely uyabe selithi lapha no njalo mina ngibona it's a good thing okhama kudala yazi ukuthi mina mfuna ukuthi
but knowledge inaje
ya umuntu uyabedlala willingly lwana umuntu uyabedlala engani liyamforsa engani uyazitshela what iloba engazelidlise uyathi hayi mina vele kade sengiyengile lambiza
Nathi
I've got a reason why ati sente haya mfuni manje nina labe selimbiza so ngokudlala kwaKhama vela nje mina awuKhama vela azange ngimpress manje ngisentshela uKhama azange ngimpress lokho wabizwayo uKhama azange ngimpress it's only kuphela ukuthi wayekoro ngoma phena kwakhe lokhana ukuthi ukhipha nje thulo ngoma khipha udivers sorts but in terms of football umuntu vele usempushelwa umuntu enzithi
usishafu
uKhama ngaswayo
mina that was the only notable player imole ukuthi uKhama phela akakho la and there is local based local based amaningi abizi uKhama akakho but knowledge bayinaji maybe there is something that happened ngoba ngequality yakhe ngeprofile yakhe otho nje uKhama
mina vele lami to be honest uKhama ngiyebhura uyabe fanele bekhona la sesebhureni sibili uyabe fanele bekhona because the experience yakhe and everything usiyakwafu khona uyabe funakala
but top maye ngasafuni ke
hayi lapha andithi lapha sikhulumeli ngokuthi yena uyafuna nja hayi thina we are just talking ukuthi since engekho
ukhulumela ngefootball
ukuthi yena akakho not ukuthi sithi kabambizi hayi sithi kakho but ngebhura kuyakule something eyenzakele ukuthi engabi njani engabi khona seza yena akasafuni uyabona so doesn't mean kumele simfuze because la uyabe sethi anisafuni
mana singavali ngokuthi it's either ngoba yena vele lo muntu asingesithi either ngoba oqaleni uthe wayethe vele kaseyengile amabhodi
hayi antu uyengile wadlala yini Masudi la uyengile waphenduka
so
bathi kusiba la issues after
ama issues yiko phela ama issues akho la ngeswadinga ngoba vele uqala wayethe vele akasafuni
hayi thina lapha thina sokuthi engikutsho yani ukuthi anti yena wayinga amabhuzu sambiza sithe simbizile wadlala wasokuxotsha ucoach uthe after uxotsha ucoach sokubizwa isquad yena wasesithi ulezinto azenzayo akho mthengisi uyabona so unga ukuthi kwakule inkulumo vele inkulumo bezizinengi la around uyabona inkulumo vele bezizinengi because kwakuthela ama players amaningi uyabona so yena yabe sengumuntu uyabe usubonile la ngelinye ilihlo ukuthi kulento ezenzakalayo ongasifuni and ama behind the scenes uyabe ungafuni so uyabule right ukuthi amina kulesikhathi esi uyabona sekumelela yena la ukuthi ezekhuluma nothi ukuthi ngithi abahambe beyomthatha futhi yena nxa engasafuni hayi peace
ngibona ngani ya
wena uhle wamrula ufathi awuKhama vele usha
hayi mina vele umuntu yabona
because uyawazi why
umuntu angasafuna umuntu uyabe le reason why uqale lokho so ungamfaka lwana umuntu is too dangerous umuntu onjalo
now understand but indeed Okhama like Machisa is saying is an experience. He knows in national team setup, in the international football more than because abangacheka abafana abaningi ababizwela bacha abakajayeli setup even eZimba vele kade silama internationals amalutshwana experience yakhe liyana can rub off in a good way to abafana abancane ababebiziwe you understand but okungabi khona kwakhe lakho ku dangerous enxa ukuthi uyabe lama issues because bakwazi ukuthi ibhora mele liranwe njani into mele izenzakale njani if into lana ingayenzakalanga wena ubuya umutsha ungakwazi you will fall into the same trap you understand utholithi like maybe oqolana they might be excited like always say ukuthi we've got guys who can represent us even bengaphiwa nginyu but asisho ukuthi go and play and represent ilizwe ungabhadalwa so Okhama they can raise those issues bethi matuda sicela besikhulumathi singabafazi ukuthi bekudonate ama toiletries ngoba i-issue which into singafuna ukuyibona so kulezi zinto ama basics maybe engcokhama babekwazi lokumele kukhona utho yabo ende kungasayenzakala bese sithi mina as long as ngaka address lokho so lokho kuyana affect labana futhi abazabuya kungalungiswanga because Okhama they've got that say big player uyakwanisa ukukhuluma into le address like even uMashal Mnethu ukhulume ngakho the world yamuzwa ekhuluma ukuthi eZimbabwe singalungisa administration we can go for because the talent is loud that yakwazi so ngikutsho ukuthi as long as those issues engalungiswanga sesingababiza everyone
exactly sesingathi
exactly you understand so in a way into lena ifuna ukukhangela ukuthi Okhama bakho esquad lesi but we're trying to build something new uhamba njani not ukuthi sithi ngwesimthembileyo wathi
Hayi.
ama-players lawo maningi
maningi.
nxa ingasafuni ushaba
Eh.
but kulama-issues a-adressayo amenza ukuthi khathesi ivini nxade efuna bengasambizi ngenxa ukuthi ama-issues lana a-adressayo which is dangerous to i-national setup yikho ngikhona ukuthi izinto zonke because sifuna i-atmosphere ibe sharp for everyone even abafana laba
player labo bedlale bekhululekile.
because umario mzuthutheni uthe i-final squad yakhe I think they are now taking 27 players to AFCON,
No, AFCON,
will surprise a lot of people so kuchithi ngicabanga ukuthi
Kulabanye
bakhona abanye
abaza-approach.
angabadrop ode
Ade
bekhangela
bekhangela.
asebezithethi balamana
Banama,
yabo
avele ku-54 lezi vele ikuthela ukuthi yena ufuna ukuzamana
Uyabo.
because uyabe sezibonela yena uyabona yena sezibonela ngelihlo lakho ukuthi even though kade utshona usithi ule number ukuthi do you deserve or
exactly
awudeserve
so ipoint yami isibuya futhi khona kodwa ukuthi andiyabona if ama-issues abokhama not addressed ebese bika abafana labana abasha khanyela ukuthi kuyingozi okungakanani ukuthi abafana babehambe besemnyameni mazulu
ingozi vele
Yingozi liyana yiko phela okusho ukuthi kube kuthiwa kumbe kulomuntu omelayo zonezi izinto ukuthi zingahlali zisenzakala zi-affect yilo phela whatever esikutsho ukuthi whatever that is happening in the pitch kuqalela ngale ungabona bedlala kuhle ku the pitch i-administration yabe sharp so we know ukuthi okhama ngendlela okubeka ngayo ngama-experience play babe kubonile ukuthi kwento lokhu hayi ibhola emelanga lerane so cina kuba affecta ngaphi bedlala ngenhliziyo ezingasekho right ku pitch iqine sebesenza udaka kumbe vele bengasakhululeka so if ngaba those things must be addressed
exactly
those things must kube lo muntu bold enough to address it noma kuza ngoba kunjani ukuthi abafana abancane labo uyazi ukuthi ngizokutshela enye into ashe ebuhlungu kakhulu ama players amaningi asithi awuholwe teamini anjo asithi sekumbe iSland of Dynamos awuholwe teamini kube le player lilodwa ukuthi but no madoda elibalanda bold enough ukuthi hayi asikhankasele into besikolise lapha kube sithi wena sisuka siyakwazi ukuthi because it's a Highlander because kulabantu abafuna ukuyadlalela iHighlander bebe sebebuya labantu labo bazasuffer the same thing
usubuya kuhle
bazasuffer the same thing so ufuna kuba nomuntu bold enough umbe lama players ebe-bold enough ukuthi hayi le nto le yaya
andabona ukuthi khathesi sebeqalisa ukutraina abaqalisa izora wasembizweni ama-local going forward after a week uze sokuthiwa ama-allowance abakathoni already khona kuyana kuyasiphamba so if those things ezikhuluma ngazo ukuthi zingakazi uku-addressa kusase-early zihle zilungise it will be easy for abafana laba abazabizwa be-integrate bengena ku-national team ukuthi okay sithole ispace sisharp because isilama big players everywhere mdala inigeria ngaphi khathesi babake bayiboycott mostly into ezenzakala mostly e-Africa angazi why but if we start addressing them early uzabona ukuthi ama-teams ethu will compete at the highest level ama-team athwala nzima ukuthi esile wena uzibuza ukuthi why oMorocco sihlala sikhuluma ngabo ukuthi why be-excel otsho labana bayenza izinto
proper ama-players aba always happy
mina mbongana lapha as long as sikhulume administration nje ku-administration athothi kulo muntu okhulumelayo ama-players yabona eboreni makungabi njengekhampani lokhana ukuthi maybe ekhampanini uthola ukuthi ama-workers maybe asithi ahola kumbe less amount like $100 anje ubusuthola ukuthi but just because you are desperate bakwazi kula umuntu ofuna lani $100 anje suthi uyakhuluma ukuthi hayi hamba wena siyaqhatsha abanye abantu
yiyo phela
because abantu babele kube sithi thina kulabanye abantu abafuna ukuba le-national cap ungaze usuke wena
yi-danger esikhuluma ukuthi
ngoba la uzangena uzasuffer the
same thing bazakhala the same thing same ma-experience exactly this is what I'm talking about
umuntu khulume ngeMorocco kulabanye abantu kuMorocco bana baku-administration abakubonayo kukade imani mana singayenzi so because abafana they are hunger for ukuthi bedlalela i-national team omunye umuntu phela ufuna ukuwa ku-national team la empilweni yakhe ethi mina vele lami ngadlalela iZimbabwe yabo
sisase kuma-national team players i-tournament kanakamba ibonini
ngibonile
ibi this weekend kumbe
I think i-weekend ebuya
I-weekend ebuya?
mhla ka-6
ngiyithandile into leya
kakhulu anti iyeka ayenza futhi la
wayithini ibingani simile I think last year ike yami ngibonisa iphendukile ngithabile this is good for and the under 17
for ewange
uyithethe wayihambisa kibo ewanga that's a beautiful thing
into enhle sho
uthi development
kakhulu ama player even adlala lapha amaningi sedlala uPremier League
uProsper sesezweni
so uyabona into enhle ukhona futhi ku squad
ukhona ku squad
nje wonda into
la manje top ngakhona ngale wange this week from namuhla so i-preparations abayenzayo abafana le seriousness hayi bona ama youth yawuthola ukuthi kuya improve ukhana ama lokho zen
and sesifuna ilihlo lele uthi uthusi njengocoach wamanda 17
ama coaches obviously ama coaches amanye kumele ehambe
yike ngitsho ukuthi
scout for i-talent
behambe be-check
ukuthi iko indawo yabe le talent lo
i-development khona proper then to watoda i-merry-go-round engiyona labe iyaqala ngizaqalisa yelo izini uMapeza besikhuluma last week ukuthi uMapeza uvalelisile
professional
uvale clean ku platinum yonke into proper Thuchu nangu ku Scotland
siyaqalisa i-project
hey ibona njani move la
babe move la ile mali phakathi la
vele hayi money
ile mali phakathi 2 Mapeza that is a professional coach yabona laphana kuyafana lokuthi uya coach national team lapha laphana mina mbongani Mapeza uyafika yenza into ekhanyayo lapha cause mangimrate mina ko Mapeza lokungabona coaching yakhe laphana mbongani sesiya coach
Topi
mina I feel like yena ngendlela yena uMapeza engimazi ngakhona lokuqalisa iproject yakhe I think ngesetup yoku Scotland I think isucha yena kakhulu because yena umuntu lwana osehambile wabona how to start things Kelly Platinum umuntu wayiqalisa njani yaqinisa ipowers so I think khona ngale ngevision abalayo lokuya uCAF and stuff I think how sharp khona Clinton
undiraya magents engawina uyachapa phansi ewine uyachapa
Solomoyo omlandelayo la
ngamzoyila njalo uthoba but I think
apha poreni kunjalo ungawini yakwanso uchi
kandake kodwa
laphana ngani uScotland laphana ngani bathe Arius laphana ngani ucochiwe proper
amibe anti yosiyabule contract yewani so mayiphela bese bethi asirenew
wona win league but i-team yenje win league kungoye win league sebekuchayisa phansi
no depora ilicrew
anibona ukuthi uMapeza ngani uqhaqhwe ngisponsor uSewicknell
anade bebonke
bonke abane sayini
esayini and into kule into kona bane picture abantu abangayananzelanga engayinanzelela mina yanzisa ubuhlungu wananzelela ukuthi abantu bananzelela even to our viewers uthi uCEO Ronald Moyo wayengekho kwaba but yonke yayirike eScotland yayinajo wambona uRonald ngu-CEO phela uRonald eScotland anti kuchoni nxa umola kusawina ucoach uCEO uyithwangere but yayirike yonke inaje amni picture lana
lo yokuchaya amanzi
mina ngathi ngora yini ukuthi uCEO uyabunga uCEO uphonga ufaka kubela like ukuthi hayi uTopi uCEO
wona bezenzile uWicknell athutshe ngale asayi dala money talks Money talks
hayi vile but yazi akuzayi kuhlale kuhle kimi no man at least even engayenzi lutho ephonga uba yinaji
ebenathi la eqhawula
ephonga uba yinaji naye uthi welcome coach ngoba nguye CEO phela uCEO nguyi-bridge of everything understand nguye orchestra vele onguye uconductor we-orchestra uCEO
sizathi maybe wayetravelile
ungathi wena zonke ingoma lazazi unathi
maybe wayetravelile
maybe wayengezwa kahle
maybe wayecarry bus.
but honestly speaking like thatha amazwi kaMachisa away from uRonaldo CEO uMapeza I think anti iya ku CAF and bafuna ukukonka iCAF I think is the right person for Undira cause winile yes league but mina I always question which Scotland is got everything but indlela abadlala cause Scotland could have easily dominated bawinile league but abayidominatanga ileague with uMapeza lento le same team yena leyana amapeza uyakholisa ibhora khe ibhora edidlalwa ePlatinum libe lichaza njani
Ngithi but maye uyabona into ebuhlungu ngebhori one obviously first year uyaqalisa uzama la kuzantu usuletha bakho la ukuthi yonke into ofuna uyenzakale type of play uyabona sometimes ama players yona yabe khona yabe ungasiyo ahambelana nendlela omele udlale ngayo so ugcina engabala bakhe bejayelane second year yabe senjani yabe sele strong force to dominate maybe for the next 3 years
yes
because ukuchaya immediate so
ngakulahla
but it is
uyabona ukuthi Tobi nginga
anya kuzo kujo
Mapeza le international experience even at CAF and iPlatinum kuhamba lawo at CAF labo babekhangele ngelihlo lendlela because lindlela amazwi ukuthi babe bontu uChomlo one ule experience
exactly CAF
plus uScott uyakhara ngendlela team edlala ngayo even uNdira yakhumbula ekhaya lesithi iScott lidlula iMumbi yawo ekhaya hayi man so I think uMapeza ngeproject yabo
abakhaya babone the way yona leyo ukuthi uMapeza nguye umuntu osengabahambisa because kade sibona abasakhanyeleli league phela
hayi
wena sebekhanyela ukuthi bebe kubopha labo Sundowns
manje abantu vele baya uCAF and then ulokuze ngendlela waye expecting ngayo uScott expecting ngayo i-team yakhe ngendlela ayidlala ngayo kwangana uhambelani yayiwina
yiko ngutsho
kwali league lobi wini lunch but what ihudula amazenge straight la ati nzima whatever yonke into adikhona yathi khangelelwe njengokuwina njengabo Sundowns lapha umtsepe befaka imali isivule nge20 points labo Juventus into uScott la vele bebuye ngokwi-idea khona ukuthi Juventus babechaya akhumbula kuba nomnyaka ukuthi uJuventus uchaya iBayern Munich kuchaya iSundowns vele sesivule ngama20 because bezile imali yonke so manje Scotland ithenze njalo hayi uNdira ngimbone vele ukuthi engaqualify kulokozeni ngoba kade wina nzima
then kuCaps moving on to iCaps United uNdira sesukile kuScotland kwangena uMapeza vela kuPlatinum now uTexuwa Chiragu sechile kungezi Caps United
ani umntwana weCaps
former player former player
Caps so vele yayisikhulunywe kudala le ukuthi yahamba hayi ayisi obvious
ama player amaningi ngabone kopana kuthiwa from Ngezi to Caps from Ngezi sebesayonke into kama nje asakhangelela Ngezi okay sesikhangela abade bekhona beCaps
of January. I want this to be made very clear. They are contracted. We want them to get their dues. They are joining us from the 1st of January. They signed pre-contracts, which is allowed at law. A goalkeeper, we are going to bring in Mr. Wallace Magalani from FC Platinum. These are the signed contracts. Defenders, Nyasha Gurende is joining us. Kunzai Chibwida signed a contract. Midfielders were coming to join us. Mr. Richard Achiro Yeah, for a long time, our team had never had Mlagapusa. One of the Mlagapusa that midfielder would do the dirty work. So Mr. Achiro is coming. We also have got a brighter middle. Yeah, brighter middle is also coming. Talent Jamboko is joining us. He signed a contract. Tevson Maroa has signed a contract. McDonald Makue is also joining us. Strikers, which was our biggest undoing. We have got Derek Mulimba is coming. Obro Chirinda is coming to join Mpalo. Darlington Maroa is also coming. We are also bringing in a prolific striker for Zanaco currently, if you can go and search for him. That is going to give us a revelation for next season. Mr. is also the number one striker for Malawi, is their top man in the current setup. Mr. Chawanangwa Kawonga from Zanaco FC. He flew into the country, signed a contract, and he left in the evening. So this is the team which is going to do business for us.
Kuzahamba njani vele kwaba?
abanye ama-contract vele abepheli.
Ama-contract andapheli.
Because la ufuna urenew contract awuzifuneli abantu banenja.
Awuzifuneli.
Team yonke phela.
Basayine 12.
Movile from Ngezi to Cape United.
Basayine 12.
12. Yabona i-team yonke.
Bathethe nje.
Bathe team yonke.
Labo Chirinda. Achiro. Abakerini. But is it a good move for uTexu?
I mean, I think ngevision abafuna ukuyenza uCaps, I think it's a good move.
Uhle wasuka futhi lo nengomasha
Manager.
So Caps really means
serious.
business next season.
So I think it's a good move. It's a good move for him. Like babone ngelihlo lelanu ile experience ukuthi okay wathatha league wayenzani lengisi. So manje ubuye ezoqalisa iproject leyo esiyabe ngiwo.
The stadium bakheri Gwanzula. Mona ngani
sebeqalisa ukuyilungisa
ama renovations. It shows
ukuthi ba ku right direction.
Caps is really abafuna ukubuyela isizini lebetholenzi.
Anjawo.
Relegation. It shows ukuthi Caps is serious, huh?
Kakhulu. I shows ukuthi kathi is
serious.
Le issue andibo yakhumbula babemcharge 5 gram la. 4 gram lokuzeni.
Bahle bambhadala.
Bahle ehliyabhadala iCaps. Waphiwa le kara
clean madili.
Clean madili.
Hayi khona since utopade sisho ukuthi ngumntwana walapha. Yabona lapha kwafalo ukuthatha uGerrard siyacoach iLiverpool. Lona umuntu uyacoacha wholeheartedly. Inhliziyo yakhe yabikopha. Lobe yabekhangelela imali but uyayithanda le lokuzinda. So umbona manje bayenze a good move kulento abayiphekayo for the season.
Next season. Ya ngibonile yalami ngibonile.
Lami ngiyabona ukuthi kade siba serious.
Ba serious ha? Nansi yokuzini. Le ndlela ethe uDijon haya sesishabo.
Ayibona. Into siyabona.
Into siyabona uDijon. Kule nje igazile ubonile lokuzini. Awari coach wenu nje. Ayikho la uprove into esahlala zikhulu angazi ukuthi lina lizayibona njani Ntombi.
Le ayibhalile
ngendlela mina ngiyibone ngayo. Hayi le ndlela abantu beziqhatshela ukuyimbowa.
uDijon ukuthi ubethatha iBorrelli njengo Charlie Chaplin. uDijon at the first day i-seriousness yakhe ibingakhanyi. Ibingakhanyi like last week besikhuluma umuntu wathatha ibhola wakhabela lapha. Yabona like sesu Mr P neBorrelli. Lapha nayo ndebe ingaqhatshana.
Ngoba i-farewell message yake uBozo just to give context to our viewers. Utheni uDijon, dear Bozo fans, thank you for your support. You are truly the best. Your passion and energy were incredible, and the fans will always remain in my heart. Of course, not everyone supported me as coach. This is a professional coach, by the way. Of course, not everyone supported me as coach. In football, you always have a few people with double agendas. But no problem, the champ will always stay positive. I still want to give special thanks to those who were always professional, loyal, and honest. Special thanks, the Highlanders Football Club fans, assistant coach Try Ncube, physiotherapist, kit manager Bruce Chuma, CEO Denzel Mkandla, vice chairman Fiso Siziba, board chairman Luke Mkandla. To the first team players, thank you for hard work and commitment. A special shout out to Andrew Mbeba, Brian Mlochwa, Errol Sibanda, Atusaye Nyongo. I wish the club great success in the future, Pozo for life. Once you are in, you never walk out. We want to jari. Ube coach, I think more than 25 players. Wakamba 4.
And
What is
uyazi into echaza khona abanye kuwo bonke abakambile kanje ungathi uyacabanga ukuthi
ueriyeli pe
umfakile uthi Andrew Mbeba, Brian Mlochwa, Errol Sibanda lo Atusaye Nyongo zoyi4
ukuthi ufike yena ama players lawa awafakileyo kanje ufike bengadlali wasefaka bonaba yibo abamentioneyo abanye khona and then usho kahle ukuthi vele abanye labana vele thina bezenzela yena ukufuna kwakhe khona kufuna ngama according to aba train njani yabona yiko nje uthomlo wazi laba besicoachwa nguCharlie Chaplin straight
assistant coach ubere 2 bra
ubere 2 wakamba
1
ngepoti wawo ngepoti wahambe kaphuna abantu abahambelana laye yabo which means uyasitshengisa ukuthi olalongo bekungela hayi le ndazi bekule 2 side ama islanders ngapha bekuyelo kuzini
alabo bhalele vele hayi
abarichole umqethi abempenza but honestly that's not but this is not professional. I see cool.
So ubongani ama players afila njani
obviously vele ama players ama very obvious yabusubona
you remember last time engayicho andwahamba wakhuluma into zakhe
Garissa njona
sephindi phela already you never know
yaphinduka futhi
uyafuna uphenduka kanjani
ala sokwenza saphinduke
even topi lawe ule team ufuna ukukhatha coach okay ukukhatha coach okhuluma so phakathi kwama players amanye ukhuluma ngama players ayi3
hey that's another point too that's another point
but bamkhacha futhi bayantu wakhuluma ube bamkhacha so siyaphuluma kube futhi ephinde eqala
laba sikhuluma
ngamabolise yini
laba sikhuluma ngamateam kanjani laba sikhuluma ngeteam ele equity administration ele professionalism mawule
team ele
ndazimi ngala professionalism ukhathi haya such coach olitshele kubuli hamba othi mase hamba futhi la elitshele lapho ubonisile ukuthi hayi vele indaba yenu vele athi ngekho
yazi kulelo kuze bese coach something ungayicheka ku Facebook kule post ngureward ureward Musa wathi ungukhipha uwayelenda bamkhipha waqabala lo lokuzeni ubona ipost
mina mbone keeper kuthanga ureward ezikhipa yena sithi best goalkeeper
hari but identity isithi uDijong vele so le room uDijong aba renew contract ureward wathi wafaka ipost kwathi what goes around comes around but mbone from a player's perspective kusharp win or treatment uDijong ayenza ureward yenze ureward because he's human at the end of the day
vele is
what because mbona abanye abantu sebemkhuza ukuthi hayi no mafana don't do that janjani
but abantu ukuthi bathanda ukuphongkhuza but it's not like ukuthi ureward nanti ulawela ama feelings uyakwazi into yabeyenza so awungeke abantu bemise because uyabonga kwazi because obviously ureward ngesikhathi engasadlaliswa wayelambisa ifamily yakhe uyabona because ifamily yalamba so lawo yabukusiza ubuhlungu ngendlela because kuye kungumuntu oyenziwe wangalo kuze so la uyabe efuna ukukhuluma lokho akukhulumayo
uyabona mina uTop khona according to reward nje ureward sike kakhuluma ngomuntu othinti ngamthisa ikhuluma ureward waba bold enough wafela khona ka yabo labana abanye abangaqanjwanga ukuthi Jong la bebe njengo reward but bebefela phakathi njenge blood le ball yabo because bonke abangaqanjwa la bebe njengo reward but bebefela ukuthi but vele ngayike lo ngeke mbizwe lokho ureward uthi wasimela
but bebe dlalise 4 abantu versus 11
but vele yena
Uthini abayi7 bonke bona
yena I think vele ngendlela abhale ngayo is not professional vele.
You understand?
Because you also going to throw ngabantu abayi4 also
Mina,
surviving ngabantu abayi4 akuye.
It can't,
Yeah,
bruh.
it can't.
You
So
remember
I
even the
think
issue ka-Abre, fitness train.
anje wonti yonke
Khumbula?
into vele.
There was an issue ka-fitness train. Ngamqambanga la.
Ngakho vele. So anje wonti vele
le board
mina ngibona ukuthi
selector.
mina ngibona ukuthi it was necessary.
Hayi, lo coach ikona lapha zahayo khona abaqala bekhala ama statements osuke khona ngale.
Phela this is a big statement. Uyabe sitshoni
Yena
ngabanye. Kutshoni ngabanye laba abaqambile abanye ke bangaqambanga.
Obviously uyakwazi statement lesiyazi ukutshela ukuthi utshoni.
You see now?
Ayabe sezokutshela.
Bara uyayilenda yona yayizi mistake yona ngokwayo
professional.
in hiring that guy. So uDijong secha phansi. Then ngasembona say weakness. Alose weakness ulokuri weza. Ene ku right wena inajo yayileni. So weakness ulokuri weza amaganzo. Kanti ube keep million anti lokho esithi abe keep mbijana. Uthe yena yayilenda ingaqhatsha uBenjani. Marwaro uyabhadala yena.
Yabe singekase weakness ke lapho ke manje yabe singekase weakness yabe angenanga ngenxeba ke lapho yabe ngene straight ukule team singihamba iyayilenda yona izama ukwenza kwayo okwasekhaya ibe professional usekuneli maye ukuthi yena uyafaka imali kayifake after iyayilenda sihlale phansi yaqhathela ucoach yazenzelo kwayo.
Hayi no.
Okay that's my point nga usekuneli manje ngathi okay ngeplayer lami elinje alingene la ngizafaka imali uzayifaka because ucoach yabeqhathwe ngokuseweekend which means administration yakhona ungayibona lokho iqhubeka kanje iyabe singekaseweekend tukamele thina abantu bonke behlale phansi.
So ama credentials kaBenjani or whatever awulandaba lawo ifani yayilendana uthi okay right useweekend sesajezi and nguye zamholisa usave team very ways it's not like ukuthi amagazi bengaliwezi bengakhiri amagazi vele aliwezi and ancede kanti suggesting uthi no ubunanga ucoach uDijong ngaseko kulo Benjani is a good coach and yimenza mbhadana
yiko phela iIslanda is a team of community, it's a team of kumele kube le administration kungaveli kuseweekend ukuthi useweekend seqhathe ucoach kulaba kwakukhathwe nguseweekend i-team lana besithi kumele itshintshwe ngenza njalo hayi siyabe kumele kulungise ibhoso kabe sokuyi seweekend team so uzaba le bhoso akucithi ukuthi ibhoso uyabe siyiseweekend imali yakhe isebenza njalo ayabe seyithethe phela iIsland.
I know but guys Tobi angazumbi englimbe yangayo
Tobi
alright nangu ngithi mina useweekend akaqalisa ukhipha imali ube keeper bra 250,000 whatever 250,000 whatever million izenza this whatever khathesi sesithi akusela coach ucoach Dijong nangu sevalisi uthi nangu coach credible coach good coach wefunde emazweni uka coaching ngezi ukhona kaDaspana nangu mina yime enyambhadala iboarding ngahlala phansi ngamconsider is it wrong when
ayena masithi yabhadalele niyela senti kuzathiwa
yiko vele ngusho that's the bese umuntu uzevula ukubuza lina ama supporter lebe lingela cash ocoach badura zawo ebese nangu coach and imenza diza wena lihleli khali hayi team yabesinge ngoba iboard uyabajela iboard
ukuthi kumele liyali imali first
exactly ngoba uthi iboard ingaconsider bra
laphana Topele kutsho ukuthi abasesithengise i-team ngenxa silamali uthengisa phela i-team
wena izindlela
useziranela yena ngendlela ofuna ngayo because manje okay sikhuluma ngocoach ma engabuya lama players ayi5 manje ma engabuya lama players ayi5 athi awangene imenza abe ngwabhadala
wena ukhala ngama player ukhala
ngocoach anto labasikhuluma ngokuthi uthe nizangenisa na uncoach ngizamphathala mina imali anje
wawuthe mfuna ukuthi sikufaye kuhle ucace Masudu uthe administration
ingavumi into ezavumisa administration imali lokuthi umuntu lo udala efaka imali anje so uvuma kwe-administration ingavuma which means thina as ama-supporters thina as ama-football fans singakhangela ukuthi i-administration sivumile ivume ngokuthi uBenjani is a good coach kumbe is suitable for i-Highlanders asengake sawubona lokho siyavuma ukuthi hayi i-Highlanders ayikhathanga ucoach ukhathwe ngubani nguChivayo ngenxa yemali yalendayo ilamali so ikwenza iyabe singeka Chivayo i-Highland
hayi but labo lebese ama hypocrites
no
because
honestly because inyuku ayikaqalisi
walibhadalela ukuthi kuthiwa
i-FIFA ban Pretoria i-FIFA isi
ngabe la
yana vele
manini ake siphumele madoda endaweni enjalo antsho sike singe madoda uyawazi because of ezinye izinto
It's getting watching here. Change go afayifeni
what zwana kunje so bafethu la le bet rate but because of ukuthanda imali uyakhona ukuthengisa khona okwakho
awona bet rate yakho
yeah ukhona even uBhayibheli umuntu wathengisa ibet rate ngomsopho so laba sesithengisa iHighlander just because yasilala ukuze laba sesithengisile la
uyazi mina ngifuna sesikhayele into lesikhayele
ngelihlo linye
because Masudu it does not make sense alright uBrito iFIFA ifuna ukubhana umember wabhadala abantu bachayizana team la problem ufuna ubhadala ama player umuntu wabhadala nje abantu bachayizana le club yayikhipha statement ibonga yonke into lifuna uyakijura umuntu ekekhipha imali understand khathesi akusela coach into esekhona ukuthi ucoach sehambini selisithi lina
ashimina point yakho nyayizwa kanti ma ukuthi uThivayo uyakubona ngiyakubona konke khona ukuthi uThivayo usuka kuphi le Highland lokho khona ukubalisayo ngakubalisa kube kuningi kanjalo maye ukuthi une interest kumbe ulothando la ngakanjalo waye ngafaki madoda ebuye le statement lesi madoda dingani ucoach obulalayo sibile elimfunayo lina nibe sengilinjani nibe sengimbhadala
hayi ngiyamuzwa
akona ezibuyelo wakhe
utsho njalo be
utshela uMarwaro according to
hayi i-statement sithi according ukuthi lina nxa lingadinga owenyu coach nizambhadala but ama benefits kaMarwaro ansuke ngiwakhiphe but lo coach ngizabe ngimbhadala imali yakhe i-statement esisicho
ivini
ungasomarwaro into nayichi
ya ngaleyo ndlela ayikona ukuthi na uMarwaro
yiko i-choice very phile but lingavuma
thanks gents so
anti uthe lingavuma ngizali njani uMarwaro now
alright mana ngidinge ipost yakhe because I've got his post here uthe ube lo Marwaro lo Sharon ezapha lakhe wathi bezichilela ngifuna ukudinga specifically akhuluma khona during our random and wide-ranging discussion, we also touched on the recent developments at Boso Highlanders Football Club, particularly club separation with this coach Peter De Jong. This naturally sparked a brilliant thought and eureka moment with me, considering Benjani's unparalleled exposure locally and internationally. His global football pedigree and his better understanding of Zimbabwean football culture. Why should he not take a serious interest in assuming the role of head coach for Highlanders Football Club? I asked him the question, which is clearly a very complex one and cannot be easily responded to, understandably so. After making a few phone calls, especially Kunamata Marora, Mkoma Benji confirmed that he would have an interest provided that I exclusively guarantee all his contractual interest should Highlanders consider him for the top job. I was deeply humbled by such a condition, which I also considered fair and reasonable for a football icon of his stature. Following this quick development through my curator, I proposed that, subject to the Highlanders FC governance structures to consider appointing him through their formal internal purposes, I committed outside my $1 million USD donation, I will personally secure and safeguard his contractual benefits over and above the sponsorship package, which remains available to enable Boso to sign quality players for the 2026 Premier League season. I undertook to provide Mkoma Benji with a brand new car of his choice as part of his conditions of service. In addition, I will be personally responsible for his monthly salary and benefits for the full duration of his contract, should he be appointed. I must, however, clearly state here and now that if the club opts for a different coach, the sponsorship package remains in place for the benefit of the team, but the additional conditions as stated above would not apply. My proposal has been formally submitted respectfully to the Islanders leadership and governance authorities now awaiting for their kind consideration. I firmly believe that Mkoma Benji embodies the perfect blend of technical capability and local understanding that Bozo urgently needs at this pivotal moment. Bringing in foreign and predominantly white coaches has proven not to yield the desired results, particularly when one considers the unique dynamics and foundations upon which Islanders FC is built. This approach also aligns with the president's clarion call that Nika Inova Kwaneve Nevayo. It is high time we look inward and trust leadership to one of our own, a Zimbabwean legend who has played at the highest levels of world football, who understands our culture and possesses the kind of international exposure that can elevate our local standards. I believe Mkoma Benji will be the man for the job. Nansi statement sikaSewiknene.
Yikho sikubalekela ngapha kuTopo ukuthi lo vele umuntu usethe Mkoma Benji zwala lo Mkoma Benji this is Highlanders. So akume kancane kokana serious Islander ayizidingele ucoach wa maye ukuthi bona yena uSewiknene ule interest kabhadala lo coach hayi khona
awusho njalo awukhulumini uthe uzambhadala but amanye ama conditions lawana
hayi ukuthi lokho esithi Mkoma Benji lapha Mkoma Benji kayenza uMkoma Benji bebodwa ngale hayi bezodlalela Islanders bakithi thina ku Islanders ungadlaleli
bengamkhatha awuse support
bengamkhatha it's our administration yethu uMkoma Benji
alisa support
ukusupporta Islander kusupportela isupport yethu ukuthi vele but lokhu kuthiwa ngokwamkoma Benji so uMkoma Benji kazenzile uMkoma Benji hayi lapha mina ukuthi lokho amvumelani la ukuthi vele uchivayo athi kafaka imali yebo khona ngayo
uyakwazi ucine sesithini sesiqeda issue yaleni uthi as part of my philanthropic work and in honor of the legacy of the late VP John Landankomo, who was a lifelong and passionate supporter of Bozo, I tabled this offer for their consideration with the iconic Benjani Maruaro at the helm. I believe Bozo is what it takes to reclaim glory in the 2020 Premier Soccer League season. Bozo ngenkani zinqa ana uyakhera uMkoma Benji ngoba nayi Jeki
kulama consequences khona ngaqali le Islander vela asifuni ngangcono one day mana ama viewers laba ku Islander mangani sokusehlule ezimali ngangcono besithama ama$2 sibe sibhadala thina ama$2 ama extra ukuthi sizayela
sesivaleleka uMkoma Benji ngifuna ukuzwa one thing wena usolo ukuthi uMkoma Benji ubuya lo sechivayo usolo ukuthi uMkoma Benji is not a good coach phela banengi ababecabanga njengawo
mina solo ukuthi uMkoma Benji ubuya lo chivayo vele angifuni ngokhana ku Islander administration ayizibili administration
mina kodwa sengikuthi uthi bese ngama hypocrite ngoba ebhadala lokhu izinto eliqayile elinika imali la eliqayile khatheso ile condition senisizala sancane.
So what is I role yama administration phela ukuthi bezidingele bona ucoach abambona ayikho ngoba uMkoma Benji ubuya lo chivayo njani
angibe bebhadala
uthena
iweight lane ubhadala
mina lizasidingela
ikhona option na leyo lizidingeni
ya asizidingele
tuyibona bengadinga betholena ke
vela so unyo uchairman so lo munye uchairman
so yena denzela coach bebe suggestile ngoSewiknene uthi kulo Mkoma Benji nangu lokuzeni nje coach wami uGenesis Mangobe my coach of 2025 Premier Soccer League season sesiyakusimba
hawu uyadeserve uhamba uyadeserve
elene kaluphahla platinum
hey
America around yama coach uyibona njani masuthi sesisukile wasichisela sechisekile ngomkoma Benji uthi yabe kule sesiku uGenesis ngapha sesiyakusimba luphahla ngani ya platinum
mina uGenesis ngendlela lesenza ngayo it's a good coach because ngale ngile nginamandla ukuthi uyafika aflow isizinto and uluphahla ngale uluphahla ngale uyafika ebe cream Very like uLuphahla is a good yiwo ama-coach lathi siwafuna. uLuphahla is a good coach. Uyafika khona ngale nge-setup kaMapeza la uyafike.
You happy with the movement kaMangube from Triangle to Simba, then Luphahla to from Simba to Blood. Toby.
Yeah, mina ngihappy because uMangombe approved ukuthi he's a good coach. He's a good coach and ngale sokule mali and everything. I think maybe senganika good performances they compete to the highest level. So
Mina I liked what even Simba did. Yawazi. Phela ama-player amaningi abechaya phansi. Yawazi. Isimba it tied down ama-players to 2 the option yokurenew. Because ishe bebehamba bra. Bebehamba ama-player amaningi bebabafuna ama-player. So nxa kade sufuna iplayer kuSimba
sukapa
lana into ukuthi iplayer yaphuma le player madala side lizukile mahara try. So uMangophe uyathola good
quality
team
because I really a quality
unless phela iScotland ingaqoqoda kuba nzima bethi sicela uJunior
angeke ithathe 30 so ithatha 3-4 singathatha vele
yakwazi uqoqoda sicela uJunior sicela uIshe lo Gorano
lona ngizothoka kwa draw
yikho phela isimbe ehle akula into enjalo twice umembule 2 years the option renew straight iyadroga ibiziqoqodile ibiziqoqodile fast so yabona ukuthi Simba yenze
good move kakhulu
uGenesis engathola team eshap then lama players eqalisile phela ukumuva nje uxolana desikhuluma ngayo adro
uthi kathi iproblem abantu bakubulala ngeruma
ama-rumors zona la right there good for football
ukuthi imali lokuzini lawe unyikinye laba sahanjelwa abafana abaningi.
I think you're good for our football. Player engiyibona naso zihlale Tobi eje sikhuluma ngomfana lano weshesha mlobizwe ku squad.
Obviously.
Alona kumele behle bethi baba. Alona babe mvulela amehlo khona ngale ku squad babe bemcheckile ukuthi boys yakho kanje. Angibona ukuthi
mina vela ngimbone ebuyela ku D1.
La mina
ku D1 ngasabuya.
Lona bakuyini.
Yo
maplayer manje yalendo bele siqoqode.
Uyahle hamba.
Phela nje bona yalendo PK ngusewe njengoba even iliyana uthi lidinga ama-player abahle beqoqode ama-player equality njengale because next season kuyafika mdala iScotland ya beef iSimbi ya beef iPlatinum ya beef adroku kuyabe kusire i-relegation next year sinehamba lengeke ubopha iqini ombeba bengase bengalikhereni next year yafika lokho uthi lebe lokho likhala lina kade sithi imali ngase
ombeba ukuthi la ngani njani but hayi
lilo tjana ke likhala nje imali ngase sincane kherani nyungu lezinto ezide odi likhera uBenjani umkoma Benji is a good coach aningambona mina even ngumuntu le foundation ka Texu
ungezi
uBenjani Moro lelihlo yalona legend and ubecabanga nje lapha defunda khona Man City Portsmouth
yena uBenji we right ngoba ngwalapha nje
vele ngwana
ukhulele lapha emagwegwe but ngeformula buye ngayo method yakho nayo method
but kufanana phela le mali but kufanana le mali 250 phela yabe buye same ndawo
abanye phokukhala nje
statement abasibalekela ama statement uthi this team community is not a team uthiwa ayenze hayi
masuthi uyazumbule akazi ukuthi ifeli licishelele umuntu eze watchisa right sesibonile ama-movements abo-coach lama-player kulama-rumors there was a tournament awuchomela waje bayizilo
mina mbona bayenze kahle into zamahara ziyahlupha
mara zingene kiyo sihle zingene kiyo siqedelela bone champions of champions over the weekend bemele udlale ama-champions ethu e-southern region ibulawayo Chiefs bemele udlale i-northern i-Agama bemele udlale i-eastern i-Hunters then e-central region i-Yadrop awumemba bakwantsanga i-communicate yini kini into ukuthi gents thina sikwanje
akukhulunyiwe
bahle wathiwa
sikwanje
what were the reasons behind ukuthi lingakwanje
ama-reasons angikhonayo mane
eh
because umnikazi wethi mina maye ngathi lingakwantshi awunyeke umuze because imali yonke khanje kungela mali prize money liyani ukuthi lina lifike so uyagcina ubontaya
uyibona njani movie ungidla uzithi lapha naswi
Mina mbongani banje swi I remember ngufonela that day lami ngicabanga ukuthi maye ukuthi sibili ngendlela esithanda ngayo ibhora mayithi Chiefs iyahamba sibili lathi hayi even lokwantsha lathi siyakwantsha
uma sithi umvole dada asambe jeki quick ngathi jeki
manje ngifuna ukwantsha sibili siye lokozeni but ma kuseyadlalela ukukholiswa haya kudlalela khona
ngathi iChiefs ayikwanjanga wadala kakhulu
ba right mabengahambanga into zamahara lezi yahlupha lezi
manje ngichazwe ukuthi bahle bale ibhanda yagamihle yathi manager esaba ibhora
I think baphenduleni khonapho
social media ufiwa but iagama yicini win le tournament ya iadrock yadlala le lokhuzeni le yantaza badla yantaza 2-0
then le
awufanele nathi ayi over 3-0 zachayisana ku final ayi agama yayala bra
achawa
hayi agama yayala agama ebe ama champions so we can safely say ukuthi agama yiwa ama champions probe ku division 1
right no as long as Chiefs ngahambanga
karere ayidlala
yabona iChiefs
awamba abaprove nje
iChiefs hayi mangutsheni bheka iChiefs ngendlela ethethe ngayo ama ninja ileague ithethe clean no deciding clean makhasi njalo iChiefs vele ibuya ku Premier le quality yonke ku Chiefs sometimes siyabonga ukuthi why Chiefs ngihambanga maybe kati yabuya labo 4-0 lama 5-0 uyabidlala la malokuze kati yamethi
serious nje wazitshela
serious kukhona ngalo kodwa iChiefs vele athi vele serious ukubona icha iChiefs vele yakucha urenguleka
so badlana belizifa labana bala say ukuthi sokwenza to fine wathi so bongama friendly but yazi into lena into ezengicabulayo because mina I truly believe that is yafunakala iChampions of that's a serious tournament
that's a serious
uthi mele befake imali ama team je
ufuna ama sponsor walekhayo
yes bra umsebenzi wabo ukudinga I don't think such a tournament ngasweli even yona Delta iyakwazi ufaka one of their brands be sponsor that tournament that's a serious tournament ama champion ama region bra kumnandi njani it's a weekend of clean football Saturday Sunday Saturdays yachana lezana ama semi final then final nge Sunday it's a good tournament bra
udlala ungani social ngani French ungavumi
phela into lezi ziyadura imagine ama team a travel leyo mdala even to the sponsors I think I can concur and support but ngelinye ilihlo iChiefs sebekhayene ngenye endle kalesi ema officeini ukuthi banozwitisa abasuwenda ku game next year yathi drop 4 lithi ref what lithi away 4
but according ruma atungela mali la uTope siyadlala la kuloba sibuke Tope lapha lawe
elimali lemahara
fake injury uthi uyagula because uzalimali lehara phela nesicina asadlala
vele ichaya
ichaya
ngiyawu understand endlela but ngithi yani invitational lezana zihambile zadlala bathi hayi laba abantu kufanele ukuthi J esigila wet master elibizile wena uNtsara ukukwanje avele obvious ukukhayela lisetshela ama t-shirt amasudu ustabona lembona ustabona ngicela ngichekele bawuchayela into ongayenzanga uthi relax uzothi uhlezi njani uyabona yiko ungamangali Chiefs away sebekhala uthi hayi basithwala izenzimo rev bakwazi ukuyenza uba check uthi mdala andida invite labana likwanjana lathi liswi elibhora yathi akwazi ezweni bakwazi ukucheka egdleni yale
siyaqedile
Because sokola labo reference ngo Brian
ulokuzela uBrighton
ya
lona clean
hayi
lona clean lona
profile
in wrapping it up, my gents, with the Chibuku Super Cup final that happened over the weekend, we can safely say it's a Dynamo's Super Cup.
Hayi ngiyaphi ngafa final zibekile.
ngangixoxa nomuntu weDynamos ngathi iDynamos in terms of icup la ingangena ku final
Dantin.
hayi njenge Madrid mayengena ku final ku UEFA ukuthi igqoka ama silver medal ayikufunda
Hayi hlikiri.
akula final iMadrid yagqoka khona ama silver medal
Ayivumi.
ayivumi iDynamos la maso kunjalo mdala baluma ngaphansi wesiyathi chasana longo triangle lokho
But it was a tough match.
it was a tough
Singafiki ku game final, there's an incident enzakeleyo. Ibhora la delay yamdala
yeah ngibona
30 minutes. The issue I think to take our football serious, our team must be fined serious money for such nonsense. I think Dynamos, what they did is nonsensical because they were told prior to the match, no guys, your home team is the one as a provider amabhora. Sebefike ground abantu sebeyenza bathi hayi amabhora la lo muthi asidlala. Chinchana amabhora.
But yona ichibukile kumele lilethe amabhora ayo for i-tournament yabo. Because into kumele lilethe yona amabhora because I think kule pre-match phela. Ngalisedla
Yeah, babatshela khona ku pre-match meeting.
So kuya ngasemelanga kube i-issue mali ibhora selidlala.
Exactly my point.
Akusamelanga
Exactly my point.
ukuthi Dynamos njoba yayitsheli
Yeah.
wayona
Because kuyomele kuyale
ku
meeting.
yasi yayala kupha ku meeting ukuthi ayikho lena
That's exactly my point.
anjani ukukhana ku football kwabe sungani Zimbabwe vele ayila old eporeni even kuma supporters how can you say even lalesa sikhangelele phone inombe sikhalele nga 30 minutes yonke kuthiwa ibhora likadlala anjani ukukhana vele hayi football uyifakwe izinga
I think imele beyichange serious fine yabo.
serious fine
Yeah, lokho kumnanga uthando and hayi kuyayehlisa isithunzi secup endle and yi only cup ekhona. Imagine. Usuyenza into enjalo.
Wesikutsha i-pre-match akuvumi.
Bulitsheliwe pre-match meeting no guys. Triangle is the one. You see, and is the home team. Baza provide ama match balls. I understand. Nyayizwe ipoint yakho Tobo uthi ichibuku
kantomele provide
like what they do with Champions League. Yabuka
ule Champions League.
Understand? But the issue there amabhora very I think it's high time we look at it on a serious level. Ungacheck even ku size akhuluma ngayo kulokhu zeni ku Premier League. PSL. Mdala there was one time kana menzisto boy game la ola mabhora embe 8 angafana nini. Esasikhuluma khona issue yamabhora. I think it was Chicken Inn or something. Eluviva. Mdala ona mabhora 8 angafana nini. 8. Imagine when you know to amabhora phela amabhora leli la leli o leli la leli ispeed sayo elidlela ibhora le reactor ngakufana.
Akufana.
Imagine these two balls being played ku same match. Uthi wenzakalani? It's not professional.
it's not professional
Awuyenzi issue lana amabhora. I think it's a very important issue. It's a very serious issue.
I think very sponsors ona vele sibile amabhora. Ukubona like uChampions League ithiwa iCAF na leyabile amabhora. Lihleliphiwa amabhora yini. Elizadlala lana.
Utrain ngalo njalo.
Uyabo even eEngland bathi isizima siyaqaseka kule bhora lapho. Uyabona idlalwa ngumuntu wonke. So I think ama sponsor yomele njani provide ama match balls.
But that issue I think is not only in Zim. To get it right. I don't think even for South Africa.
But South Africa bale bhora labo be.
Hayi. Ngiyabona issue nale bekhuluma ngayo futhi egoli. Besithi kumele kuchinje kube le bhora league. Because ngasadlala iKaizer Chiefs yabe
Kapa Mawusiya uSundowns iphuma.
iSundowns unikele iphuma. So abantu udlala amabhora
Africa I think most of ama team usebenzisele home team. Nxa nasi sponsor yiNike thina siyasebenzisela iNike. Nxa labana be sponsor iAdidas bethenga amabhora iAdidas banjani badla ngeAdidas.
Kusharp yini khona lo. Singabalekeli issue leyenzakele ku triangle but siqedele issue yamabhora.
Kusharp phela sokuyi home advantage.
Yeah.
Yeah, home advantage.
ukuthi bona bakujwayele
uyabulejayile
Yabulijayele ibhola,
lo ligijima nje
uyawuna vele uthi mawulicontrola and stuff
Take
uyabusilazi
imagine udlala laleli one game
vele
phela leli ngaphuma phandle
nikufaka
ngokufaka leli
upolpo yakhoselelini
lelano lidlale ngalo first 10 minutes. That's why maybe times abesithi ama player kwanisa ukumisa because ukuthi uzilijwayele lelana
vele it takes time
kuyakwazi ukuthatha kuyakwazi ukuthatha isikhathi. Is a serious issue.
yeah it's a serious issue because even amapolpo kanje sawuthethi maybe ngaphuma leli baphoselele lethu
Hayi vele abe ngawena wonke.
yabo
Yabona into abona basebethola nzima nabana abantu.
vele home advantage
home advantage
So ikidana mozodikhala ngakho ukuthi hayi
vele
but ikhale ngakho wrong.
hayi kana ngakho wrong ngesikhathi singasiya delay lapha kumele findiswe kumele findiswe
But on a serious note kumele be find this.
kumele findiswe
30 minutes ibhora limi.
30 minutes
Ngento yena le ibhora. Sasekhathi.
ungeni le stadium ama expenses abe siwachayile
Vele lephango lebese lokuchaya.
even lathi sasibukele kwezindawo la ucinisa usuka usithi hayi mebhale sadlala leli bhola manje ukuthi kokhana kuyabulala ibhola
Abantu bekhuluma kubi.
sebekhuluma kubi vele
Lapha namsuphambanisa le sponsor. Yeah, issue lana it was serious. Then to the game. Hey madoda, hayi Dynamos ayivuma USA Masudu. Umfana kucha
uchaye clean goal
Anungene isabo boys lo.
uboys lwana akhumbula seharara angazi nguwe umuntu owakhuluma ngaye against edlala lathi wathi yabona uboys lokuvela kuyabula vele kungena kuyisapho ngaba 70 minutes mawuphangisile kwabe ungena abo 67
Yachova.
kuyachova manje ngakuthiwa sokulo jala hayi bayangona kuyaredana abantu bakhona ku wrong uboys lokho
kuhlohlile
Ukhayindi lithina ngaye majenza.
awubele good season
Sengena la ku conversation ya.
awubele good season
usebenzile
yena ubele good season
because uyificela lani team lana isigalulile hayi it now khangela ithole something
ungani kuyimpossible but akuqina so possible because wonke umuntu wasesithi hale ayisasukumi le ayisasukumi kanti sayela lose ayela
Umuntu uthethe nje.
nje so uyahlubona hayi clean job.
It was not easy. It was a long season but imagine lapha uhambe abantu besithi kathi uzamani because ngike ngabona kule post yafakwa ngumraphi I think umraphi lapha khona is eating humble pie.
Yeah
Umraphi uthi uyangaphi
chiya lo
vele lapha kula lutho uyanqoza iCV yakho
iCV
laba bayisithi usiyanqoza iCV yakho
watsho njalo clean
but manje sivusi
khathi esuthini
mana simile lesizwe yathi
I think is ukhandula kulama rumani besikhumbula ama rumors sengamuva vele umem to from Dynamos but Dynamos amela ivume vele keep imani
ngeke good season ayenze
ngendlela ayenze
laba i-rescue laba hayi rescue
ikuba
kethi kwindawo phela yana athi ifana lekhwekhwe yakhumbula Dynamos icine ngani ukhandi ilandi njengekhwekhwe lapha
ibi same
njengekhwekhwe
lo uhlohla bengahluhle
ibengahluhle vele ube kwazi mawusilanda i-Dynamos uyabucabangela bo2 usesiyayidla ama2 wona vele ubucabangela iwini kuphela mawulanda i-Dynamos wonke ama-team becabanga siyadlala i-Dynamos iwin but hayi rescue
angazi after iwin mezistos angazi iclip leno zayithola yini emaplay Dynamos celebrate ebhasini kule issue ngifuna siyikhulumela bala majenzi ama support eDimbaro ama play eDimbaro nama support besithi chivayo atawina trophy
nomnikazi wemali
use odukhala ngayo abafana nazi Dynamos wilito apart topi ama team I think is high time befundiswe sibili iPR mele lifundise into mina kimi mina mhlembona ngenye angle kona ba
awuno right indlala yenza abafana benze njalo indlala iyayenze abafana benze njalo uyazibona into le mali ngunawo la siyenzeni
Ushapini kokona kwezwe abafana ba
ku professional setup awukho right
professional
setup because professional setup
ibhora lethu thina ilesithembile ukuthi yili bhora eli professional esilithembileyo i-premier yethu, it's our premier football. Njengoba abafana sebewinile i-trophy basebhazini uyibonile
basebhasini baselebrate ukuthi sebewenze but babiza uChivayo
sebecela inyungu
sebecela inyuku uChivayo
uChivayo oweScotland
oweScotland yiko phela sikutsho ukuthi
lo yayelinda
hayi uChivayo weScotland ku-Highlanders kala chance akazenzi angcono simene lokho
hayi lapho bokuyala lapho yaliqinile
lapha ninalikhulumela kuma-administration
nasikhuluma into esiyibona as football fans
zwana as football fans asikhulumeni iphelele khopha kuma-administration ngoba one day abantu bazangena eground ashe abantu be-Highland angifuna ukutshela amanga yikuvumelana oyedwa ngavele ethi madoda leya siyaleni lento angifuna ukutshela amanga i-BF la izaphenduka okunye
but iyabe wrong phela
hayi yiko phela uChivayo anjalo kunjade ku-Dynamos that is akho professional lokho abakwenzileyo abafana lo bathu abalambile but akho professional abadli ngale imali athi uChivayo na mayithi uzaba fakela imali kabafakela along labo be celebrate akhona bese beyicile hayi indlala ingasenzi njalo hayi aqinisa isibizelo umkhoma bench ubench umfanethu sibili but lekambizi ngalo
into Toby coach amasoka star aphumile sonke sabona sakhuluma ngawo
hayi singakakhulumi ngawo
sakhuluma ngawo amasoka la elist ba
sakhuluma
ngawo so bo coach sesivara Kayindu carry cup Ndiraya carry cup I think from those two yikese ngakhayela kona coach of the season
Ndirayo yakhe
Ndiraya Masud
mina mbona ngani uKhayindu
Kayindu athe kulokhu ze sengenile phela ku debate kade
sekhona
aseyinaji
lo sekhona because history yenzile into kwagcina nini ukuthi team ingene idli carry
kalokho ukuthi team ngawina icup ka 3 in a row bahle beyinika ibe ngeyabo
maybe I think ukukhona la
so idimbari lena sebegcina wena
cause mina ngayazi ngihamba yabona uTobantu uthi umbono wakhe okandiraya but mase sukhangela kahle kahle uNdiraya lo Kayindu uKhayindu uthethe into efileyo wayiphilisa with that kaedelwanga ukuthi hayi philisa ngalawa nasenye equipment engaphilisa la but uyithethe injalo wayiphilisa yathatha something lwana vele uthethe into kathi vele ile mali lapha yadisuka khona iveli phila yikubona memxochile yabo uNdiraya babona into hayi into le vele ade much expected for ilokuzi iScotland so singeza ke sithi ube right as a coach but hayi coaching yakhe hayi but awuKhayindu hayi into lade file le
so wena ngokukuzwa kwami uthi Kayindu
uKhayindu ngoba ithatha into efileyo wayithatha injalo azange edolvini player vini what yikubona umraphe besiyekela
ngapha nala lemshawudini
ngapha labo bakwantu bethu uchiye bulile
ngapha nala lemshawudini that's the fun
thina ngapha mana ngitshele thina ngapha okuze sithi indoda hamba la thina sasukukhangele ezena kucoach sasingawukhangelelanga ukuthi ipressure isukelanga yabo but wasiprovela lapha siprovele
lina phela yena lamgcotshayo
thina lamgcotshayo I remember lami kulonye clip engazithi akambe lo ngiyakhumbula ngithi ngathi akahamba but hayi konzithi finally Richard Stone becomes a chief cornerstone.
Sesivara James, I think Sesivara, this is to be last two weeks. Sivara on a good note. Sivara on a good note. Which I rejecting Stone now it becomes a chief cornerstone.
I was sure.
Another good one. Sesivala nje.
To ama viewers, have a good festive season. Enjoy responsible. Siyabonga litshoneli lathi subscribe.
Benga subscribe.
Hayi ngeke subscribe.
Masuji, let's do it. But they kill. Lebanon should say no more. Rejected stone.
Yeah, the rejected stone have become the chief cornerstone. Isindebele kuthiwa ilitshela lahlwayo yilo seli. Yazi ngithanda kwenye version. Ethi the stone that the builders have been rejected. The builders. Not the owner. Yabona.
So sebesilahlwe ngumuntu oyakhayo.
Oyakhayo. Not umasithenga. Not umnikazi.
So ngezinye indlela lalahlwe lina ile lalahlwe not umamkhaya.
Yabo.
Uyabona itopic ngithanda khona lapho. Uyabona lina vele administration ngalandela ngaba ingozi. Khathi umkoma bench mina sembona nosha.
Hayi. Umkoma bench.
Mina sembona umkoma bench. Swima. Sesivala. I think my last words ngithanda ukubonga because our setup today look proper, amazing. This is nice. Asivaleli bantu please.
Abantu
alo kumele sikutsho.
Yeah.
Even umuntu nxa esikhangela uthi no, I want to be part of the family.
This is nice.
Siyadubeka kanti abanye even sebe singatrekanga proper. Lawo nxa usikhawukela bonke mana mbagezise. You understand? Sebubuya.
Bengakhohlwa ukuyathenga
sivumela everyone. Uyabona? Everyone is allowed to be part of the family. If you want to advertise, you can advertise your stuff with us. Ubuye sikufakele izinto zakho lawe siziphushe. Anyone can be part of the family. I think to me ngithanda ukubonga iSports Zone for coming through, is now part of the family. Please nxa ulento ozifunayo ungathenga amavovo. Yazi abantu bathwele izinto. Angutshela imanga tu.
Abantu bafile amavovo.
Abantu abahambe ndokubona abanye bedlala amabhora amanye angekho sharp. Sports Zone uthola everything.
Exactly.
Ndokubona ama uniform. Bana ama uniform ayiswi.
Baprinta bonke
bona. Bathunisa bawenzela everything. Abantu abahambe wabone ikombo nje.
Ikombo ukuthi
ikombo yachunwa
iSports Zone.
Labe sifake last week yachunwa iSports Zone. Everything dala nxa sithi everything to do with sports. Go to Sports Zone.
Khathi singu December ama social afuna ama cup
ama medal
Ama khona mntathi mahle nje. Quality yabukeka.
Nice. Ngofuna imedal
Sports Zone mawufuna shooters
ama awards bra.
Even bayokushabeleni nje ama artist
nxa kulama musical awards Sports
Zone. Lawo lokuyifaka nawe kulokuzini yakho. Memory kangethi smart kanjani
anathi sama team khona bayenza dobe anti bayenzile lokuzeni owadrock ama awards iChiefs le nxa izayenza ama awards
anje wena ku
abahambe eSports Zone befike bethi eSports Zone sicela ama awards play of the season wathi nxa kalesi ibuff yabuya nje ama bulawa musical awards na amangwana
Sports Zone
ayivaleli umuntu phansi so
into yabe smart
izikolo ngoDecember ziyavala ama prize Sports
Zone
everything
medal yonke into vele December isikhathi sangu
even rap even one
yonke
tennis Sports Zone khona vele all ngokwe sports ama quality things
mawufuna amakhoni kuyini konke
Sports name it akula nto eyikhulu lapha neSports Zone
and into enhle ngakho ukuthi kwabe bala yonke into njalo equality
proper mdala proper so uyabusufunani so just go visit Sports Zone eMeship House. It's a corner 9 and JMN Street. Ungene eMeship House lapana uthi ufuna iSports Zone. You get your stuff everything mdala lamanye asengikhulume kakhulu asengikhulume bemfuna ukuthi asivalele umuntu phandle be part of the family. On that note, on a high note like that, the show is continuing, guys. See you next week. Ogamanje. Adios.